Welcome to TerraHerbs. This is where nature speaks, and we listen. For centuries, herbs have supported the human body, strengthening immunity, improving digestion, cleansing the blood, protecting the heart, and helping us live longer, healthier lives. Before pharmacies existed, before synthetic drugs became common, roots, leaves, seeds, and bark were trusted tools for healing and prevention. At TerraHerbs, we teach the knowledge behind these natural remedies, how herbs work, how they support the body, and how to use them wisely and safely. Because true wellness is not only about treating sickness, it is about prevention, it is about strength, it is about balance. When the body is nourished properly, it fights disease better. When the immune system is strong, sickness struggles to survive. Our goal is simple: to help you understand herbs, to help you live stronger, to help you protect your health naturally. If you believe that nature holds answers, if you want to take control of your wellness, if you are ready to learn, you are in the right place. Welcome to TerraHerbs, ancient wisdom, natural healing.